Hello folks, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Foamskinz dashboard cover for the Polaris Slingshot. If you're like us and you feel the plastic on the dashboard of the Slingshot could use a little love, then this mod may be for you. This dashboard kit has been cut perfectly to contour the Slingshot dashboard and is made up of a dual layer EVA foam that simply sticks into place using strong adhesive backing tape. The guys over at Foamskinz have even managed to cut each side of the foam dash cover out of one piece of continuous foam, so no more ugly gaps in between pieces, making it look as though you've had your dashboard custom upholstered. Using our free online builder available at slingmods.com will allow you to select your foam accent color, as well as up to 5 custom text characters per side for that personalized look. The installation's quick and easy, so let's get started. Start by first removing your windshield. And then pop off these 2 upper dash panels. Be sure to thoroughly clean the surface area before installing, and for proper adhesion, make sure you install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now test fit first so you can see where everything lines up. Then remove the protective backing tape on this front piece first. Make sure it's aligned and centered before pressing it down firmly into place. Then peel off only the center section next. Align it so it's centered and then press into place. Now take your time with this other side and make sure you press it down evenly in the creases without any air pockets. And then finally, you can move to the other side and make sure the narrow front strips are even with no gaps before pressing down into place. And then you can repeat the same process for the other side by first cleaning the surface area. Test fitting the piece to see where it aligns. And then peeling off the protective backing in sections to ensure that it's installed correctly and fitment is centered. Once completed, you can reinstall the 2 upper dash panels, followed by your windshield. All right, well that's it folks. You've now installed your custom Foamskinz dashboard cover. Now if this product seems right for you, head on over to slingmods.com today and design a kit for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brennan signing out. Till next time.